Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on shear stresses. A problem statement is, for a rectangular beam of depth d, the maximum shear stress at the neutral axis was found to be 10 megapascal. Find the shear stress at a layer situated at d by 4 from the neutral axis. So according to problem, we have a simple rectangular section of a beam. So let us represent this rectangular section of beam where d is the depth of the section. And since your rectangular section is symmetrical about horizontal axis, so your centroidal xx axis will pass through the center of this rectangular section. And this centroidal xx axis will also be a neutral axis. Now let us also define the width b of the section. So in the problem, the given data is shear stress at neutral axis is equal to 10 megapascal. Now we also know for rectangular section, your shear stress at neutral axis will be your maximum shear stress. So we have this 10 megapascal is equal to your tau max. Then in this problem we have been asked to find the shear stress tau at a layer y is equal to d by 4 from the neutral axis. So now let us solve the problem. Now consider a layer which is at a distance d by 4 from the neutral axis or centroidal xx axis. We see that this half of the section will be of depth d by 2. Now we know shear stress at any layer is given by the formula Fay bar by Ib, where F is your shear force, I is the moment of inertia of the complete section, B is the width of the layer, and Ay bar is the first moment of the area above the layer and about the neutral axis. So if you try to determine the shear stress at the neutral axis, we'll have to consider this shaded area. So shear stress at neutral axis or your maximum shear stress will be given as F into Ay bar, where A is the area of this shaded part, which is B into d by 2 multiplied by the y bar will be the half of this depth, which is nothing but d by 4 upon, let me keep I as I only and not to expand it, multiplied by width B. So your shear stress at neutral axis can be given as, upon simplification, we have this B and B gets cancelled, so we have F into d square upon 8I. Let this be equation 1. Now let us determine the shear stress at a layer d by 4 from the neutral axis. So we have this layer which is at a distance d by 4 from the neutral axis. So in this formula of shear stress, your Ay bar will be the first moment of this shaded area as shown above this layer and about the neutral axis. So we have shear stress is equal to F into your area of this shaded part will be given as your width P multiplied by your depth d by 4, and your y bar will be given as d by 4 plus half of this d by 4, the whole upon I multiplied by width of the layer, which is same as that of width of the cross section capital B. So upon simplification we have F upon IB into, we have BD by 4 multiplied by this term will be 3D by 8. So upon further simplification we have F upon IB multiplied by 3B d square upon 36. Now your B and B gets cancelled, so this becomes F by 3 by 4 into F d square upon 8I, where your 8 multiplied by 4 is 36 and 3 is over here. Now we see your Fd square by 8I is nothing but your shear stress at neutral axis. So substituting this term with shear stress at neutral axis, we have your shear stress at layer y equal to d by 4 from neutral axis will be given as 3 by 4 of your shear stress at neutral axis. Now the value of shear stress at neutral axis is 10 megapascal. So we have 3 by 4 multiplied by 10. So this is equal to 7.5 megapascal. So this is your required answer. Thanks for watching In 5 Minutes.